Today, I'm going to be teaching you how I've made over $12,000 from DHgate's affiliate system, and with the right setup, you could be making the exact same. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and click on the first link in the description down below, where you're going to be able to then sign up for DHgate's exclusive affiliate program. Not many people know where this link is. After you do that, you can now follow along with me for the rest of the video, where I'm going to be teaching you exactly how I turned DHgate's affiliate marketing system into an easy source of passive income. And just to show you guys that this is in fact 100% legit, as you can see right here, these are my official DHgate stats from about May to today. As you can see right here, I've been doing consistent over $100 days using the exact system that I'm going to go ahead and be teaching you guys right now in today's video. As you can see right here, I've been able to make over $12,000 from DHgate's affiliate system in just barely since May of this year, using this super easy system that I'm going to be going ahead and showing you guys exactly how to set up. You guys can be pulling in these $100, even sometimes up to $200 days from DHgate's affiliate marketing system, provided you guys go ahead and watch till the end of this video. Good things come to those who are patient, and if you do go ahead and stick around till the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact system that I used and how you can set it up for yourself to potentially even be doing better than me. But something else you could also be doing better for is going ahead and subscribing to the channel, because you would be better off having access to my over 80 videos where I teach you guys how to get literally anything for free online, and that includes how to get free stuff. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as consider liking the video, as well as leaving a comment with what you plan on doing with your extra $12,000 made from DHgate's affiliate marketing system. And as always, guys, we're just going to jump right into it. But as always, thank you for watching. So once you guys get into DHgate system, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll the way to the top where it says all products. You're just going to want to go ahead and click on that button. And then as you guys can see right here, there is a bunch of different products that you guys can go ahead and get commission from, provided someone goes ahead and buys from your link. What I would recommend is going ahead and clicking sort by highest rate, so you know what you're going to be going ahead and getting the most amount of money from. For example, let's say we want to go ahead and sell these Alexander McQueens. You can go ahead and get a $50 commission, which basically, if you guys only get 2 people to buy this a day, you can make an extra $100 a day in completely passive income. All you guys are going to want to do in order to get this exclusive link where you will be rewarded commission for whoever buys this thing is going to go ahead and you're just going to want to click this get link button. After you guys click on this, you're going to want to go ahead and select which tracking source you're going to want to use to actually be tracking where your money is going. So for example, if you plan on creating a TikTok, which I'll be showing you how to do a little bit later in this video, I would recommend just clicking create a new source and then just typing in TikTok and then whatever the name of that specific thing is going to be. After you do that, all you're going to want to do is make sure that you have short links selected, hit generate. And then after that, as you can see right here, you have the link in the description. You can copy this description here, but it's kind of unnecessary. I'd recommend just clicking on this only copy link. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a library where there's a bunch of links that you guys can go ahead and stick in here, which then you can promote on socials, which is going to be going ahead and showing people the kind of products that they want. What you guys are going to be trying to looking to make here is that you want to be looking to create a source of information. If people want a specific kind of product, let's say handbags, let's say shoes from DHgate, then your spreadsheet or your source of information should be the best one out there. And basically what you're looking to do here is you're looking to become a trustworthy source of information, where you're looking to provide a helpful piece of value in exchange for that affiliate commission that we showed earlier. This is essentially how I've been able to generate over $12,000 in passive income from DHgate. All I did was I created a spreadsheet where I have a list of a ton of products which I know people are looking for example, handbags and other stuff, as well as clothes and shoes. And then all I do is that I go ahead and promote these using ways that I'll go ahead and show you near the end of this video, which then enables people to go ahead and actually buy these things because they are looking for these specific things online. And again, a little bit later, I'll be showing you exactly how to make these videos. Also, how you guys can be basically getting completely free marketing for the spreadsheet. But for now, let's just go ahead and just make the spread. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just go on to Google Sheets, and then you're just going to hit this create a blank Google Doc. All you're going to want to do after this is we're just going to want to just lay out a couple parameters. Let's say name, link, and then picture. For example, the name of the product that we have right here is an Alexander McQueen trainer. After that, we're going to go ahead and go to the link and just hit Control V. And then for the picture right here, what we're going to want to go ahead and do is we're going to want to go ahead and go back to DHgate, and we're just going to want to go ahead and click on copy one of the links right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one. We're just going to want to go back here, go back to the picture, hit the insert button, go to image, insert image and cell, go to the link section, and then just hit Control V. And then as you can see right here, it looks like that. Hit insert image. As just like that, we have created an image of the product inside of the cell, and that was super easy. The next thing I would recommend you guys to go ahead and do is just go ahead and do some basic formatting. For me, I'm just going to set the horizontal line to center, the vertical line to center as well. For these top ones here, I'm going to go ahead and add a bold, as well as I'm going to select some of these and I'm going to color code them. So I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to set the fill of this to a light blue. I'm going to select this one, set the fill of this to a light red. Then I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and set this one to, let's say, a light purple. I'm also going to go ahead and stretch these down a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and increase the size of these right here. Just going to go ahead and stretch that out a little bit more. I want to go ahead and have all of the names bold, so I'm going to go ahead and press Control V on that. And then I'm going to want to go ahead and select all of these and set the universal vertical line to the same, so they're all going to be like this. Go ahead and set this one back. Hit Control V. And then just like that, guys, we have created a very easy replicatable spreadsheet that anyone can go ahead and go to this link right here. And then they can go ahead and buy this Alexander McQueen that they may be looking for. After that, if you guys want to go ahead and share this spreadsheet, all you're going to want to do is hit this share button on the top right. Go ahead and name your spreadsheet. I'll just name it Xavier Example. After that, all you're going to want to do is go to this general access bar and then hit this restricted icon, hit anyone with link, and make sure this has gone ahead and set to viewer. And then you can just go ahead and copy this link, and anyone from here can now go ahead and take this spreadsheet. So for example, I'll go ahead and open a private tab. I'll just go ahead and click on this here. And then as you can see right here, I can make no changes to this at all. I can't delete the picture. I can't change the link. I can only hit copy and paste. And then anybody who wants the Alexander McQueen trainer, all they have to do is they just have to click on this right here, and then they will be directed right into your product link, whatever it may be. If you guys do want this example spreadsheet, I'm going to be leaving it in the comments down below, just so you guys have the easiest form of access to be able to go ahead and get started. Because you got to remember, when it comes to affiliate marketing, people just need to actually get started. Nobody is willing to usually put in the work. And if you're one of the few exceptions that wants to go ahead and put in the work, make sure to check out the example in the description down below, as well as going back into DHgate and adding in some of your own products. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys an easy way that you can generate some traffic that will automatically bring people directly into your spreadsheet. Basically, all you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to make videos just like this, which is just called DHgate finds. As you can see right here, there is a bunch of people that are going ahead and doing DHgate hauls, where they're just showing off all of the different products that they've gone ahead and gotten from DHgate. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and put your spreadsheet link that we just made earlier and go ahead and put this in the description right here. And then once you do that, when people go ahead and watch one of your videos, they'll go ahead and go directly into your, they'll go and you just tell them at the end of the video, let's say just link in my bio for the product finds. They'll go ahead and they'll automatically funnel for you directly into your link in bio, which then will take you to the spreadsheet, which then they will go ahead and buy products from you. And then that's when you go ahead and generate the easy passive income that I've been describing. And the biggest mistake that I know for a fact that a lot of people are going to be making is that they're not just going to take action. Even though I've shown you exactly how to do everything here, nobody's going to go ahead and take action, because most people just like to watch videos like this and then they don't actually like to follow through. If you want to be making the 12K that I just showed you, it's entirely possible. You could be making a ton of money right now today. You could easily cover all of your living expenses. You can upgrade your life. On top of that, you can go ahead and get free products from DHgate. If you guys want to get free products from DHgate, all you got to do is you just got to hit this sample products right here. And then you can just go ahead and request any one of these products right here. So I can just go ahead and click on this AirPod Max, get a sample. I can go ahead and just put in the message, like the size and color that I want. As you can see right here, sometimes you're not going to be accepted. For example, on my channel here, as you guys can see right here, I don't have 10K subs on my channel, which if you guys do want to help that out, maybe consider subscribing for more value first content just like this. But if you do actually already have a TikTok where you do have over 10K followers, you can go ahead and use that and get a completely free AirPod Max directly from DHgate. There's also a bunch of other products that you guys can go ahead and get for completely free just by requesting samples. And then for me, what I'll do is I'll just create a simple short showing off the product, and then I'll just stick it in. And then just like that, I got a product for completely free. The seller on DHgate gone ahead and got a free video in exchange for the product, and everybody is now winning. So something else you guys are probably considering is that we have almost hit the end of the video. What I will say right now is that I have actually created a full guide on how I made over $15,000 from just one YouTube video that I actually made public on this channel. And if you guys go ahead and click on either this link or go in the description down below and check that out, I'll go ahead and be able to send that case study to you for completely free. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope that you have a good day.